Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that you place a frozen pie in the oven and bake it for an hour. Then you take it out and let it cool before eating it. We're asked to describe how the temperature of the pie changes as time passes and sketch a rough graph of the temperature of the pie as a function of time. So this graph is going to have the temperature, capital T, on the y-axis as a function of lowercase t, time, on the x-axis. So the pie is starting out frozen, so that's going to be at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are placing it in an oven and baking it for an hour. So let's say our oven is set to 350, right? It's going to increase very, very quickly and then approach the temperature of the oven, and then it's going to bake at that temperature. And then we take it out, and it cools, and it approaches, let's say 70 degrees Fahrenheit is the room temperature. It approaches that value. Now, there's a little bit more to this than just increasing, decreasing. As the difference between the pie and the environment is very large, it is a very quick change in temperature. And then once the pie gets closer to, say, the oven temperature, the rate at which it is increasing in temperature slows down. Same thing, when it pulls out of the oven, it's very hot, which is very different from the room temperature of the room. So it is decreasing very quickly, and then as it approaches the temperature, it's going to cool down. Then you eat it. This is the whole graph, and we use the graph to describe how it is changing as time passes.